As you can see, I've got a lot of tools and I ran out of room. So I was looking for somewhere to shift the tools so I could bring the car inside the garage. I didn't want to build a second story. I just wanted to build within the attic space. I needed a strong ladder that was going to support my weight plus carrying tools, and something that you'll be using on a daily, 4-10 times a day up and down. So I needed a strong, reliable ladder that had a wider tread that I felt safe and secure on. So I went for the top of the line electronic ladder. It's a fabulous ladder. So up here, perfect to store a lot of tools out of the way. They're easy enough to move around, or in boxes, as you can see, that I can take downstairs if I need to use them. The other thing is that I can bring the ladder up. It seals it off, so when I'm sawing or sanding in the garage, I can retract the ladder and keep it relatively clean up here. I like it up here because it's very light. I've purposely put 4 skylights in so it can be nice and light for me to work. It's clean, it's out of the way of cutting and sanding downstairs. It's a little bit man shed, it's probably the tool shed really. For me it's fantastic to be able to store all my tools. It's nicer to come up here and all my gear's still here, if I need screws or covers or it's all up here. I don't have to keep going up and down the stairs. I'm very happy that I was able to afford to do it, and probably I would have done it sooner if I realised the advantage in bringing all my gear up here out of the way and to have some room now that I can put the car inside the garage.